Okay, open.
What is this? It is a baseball machine.
Open, open. Whoa, cool.
Wow, look at this.
Yeah.
Baseball.
Cool, Christian. You get to hit the ball. Just what you needed. What do you say?
Who do you say? What do you say to Uncle Chris and Aunt Sarah? Look at Mommy. What do you say to Uncle Chris and Aunt Sarah?
That was good. Thank
Good
you.
job.